Hello everyone. So for today we're going to work on some open or fold open tags here. These are my samples. I don't know much on how I feel about them or anything, but this is what I made so far. I think it would be better to use, instead of regular old coffee paper, maybe like what I did with these. I have them backed with regular plain paper, coffee dyed paper. So I think that might have made a huge difference if I would have known that when I started my other pieces, but that's okay. So I cut these in half, and to make sure they go the correct direction, this is how I'm doing it. You don't have to do it that same way. I just, again, to make sure it's the correct direction, it's way easier to do it this way. From backwards to forward. Connect your lines. And there we go. We got two pockets, or not pockets, fold out tags. So you fold them open and you're able to write on both ends of it. I just, again, I thought this would be just a fun little piece to do. Some obviously bigger than others. That, and I want to cut this down. So I'm just cutting this down a little bit here. Alright. And again, to make sure it has that same appeal of going backwards and forward like this. Now, I apologize if you hear any noise from upstairs, but they're home today. And that does not look right even more. Okay. I am grabbing I'm like really not making this straight whatsoever. That's when you come in with this and you straighten it out. There. Now it's as straight as it's gonna get. And again, forward to backward. Try to line it up to the best of your ability. And all I did with these is what I'm doing now. I am going to cut off edges with both the sides of this, just because both sides seem like they need it. There we go. This one, again, I'm just going to cut it in half, or try to make sure it's as in half as I can get it. Didn't have a long enough, which is fine. There we go. And I'm okay with this edging. That's why I glued it on that way. Not everybody's like that. Not everybody's going to be okay with the grungy-ish looking piece, but I wanted it to be grungy. Again, I wanted it to look a little more grungier. And I will be right back to finish this. I'm back. Yeah, a lot of stuff has happened. One of them days. So, here we go. We got these all going. And again, I recommend any papers that you use, just glue a page of coffee dyed paper or plain paper underneath. It makes it way easier to do from there. All right, now let's see. Where is my tag thingy? Oh, right here. So, we're just gonna snip that. I'm gonna glue this back down with art glitter glue, I think, just to keep it glued where I want it glued. All right. So, like in this situation, if it's like this, just a little bit of art glitter glue will fix that right up. So again, I'm just cutting off the bits here. Line them up. Line this side up. And then this one. And you want to make them on the fold line. You do not want them tips up here. You want them up here. Just want to make sure I make that clear. All right. Now, my hole punch. This is all I do. My cough is getting slowly better now that the weather's kind of staying consistent. It was more on the ends of when the weather's been inconsistent in the last few weeks. It's been kind of crazy. Oh, my throat. You know what I'm going to do? It's this. This way it's open and you can open it up. This is what I do with your tag strings. Just saying. Make life just a little bit easier. And also it makes it so you're not dealing with tag strings getting in the way. So that's my way of curing it. Just making simple ways like that. I would decorate, but I don't really have time at the moment. I did want to quickly show you what I did as a next step for them collage pages. I stamped on 2 of them, and then I embossed on 2 of them. This one was with a green embossing, this one was with a silver embossing. So I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Have a great day. Bye.